In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the YouTube application to your Apple TV. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click into the App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, you'll be taken to the Discover page, and it's going to show you a lot of popular apps, and you may see the YouTube TV app from here. Now if you don't see it, you want to scroll all the way to the top bar, and then you want to scroll all the way across to the search icon. From here you want to go ahead and search for YouTube, if you don't see it already. Now you can do a voice search by holding the Siri button on the side of the remote and searching for YouTube, and then it should be the top result, and once you've found it you want to click on it. Now this is going to take you to the YouTube app home screen, and if you scroll down you can read more about the application. Now if you want to download the YouTube app, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and then you want to click on the Get button, and that will begin to download the application to your Apple TV, and you may be required to enter in an Apple ID password. For this example, I have downloaded the application in the past, so it's a cloud button instead, so I'm going to click on that. Once the application has been downloaded, it will change to an Open button, so you want to click on Open to open the YouTube application. Alternatively, you can go to the Apple TV home screen and then scroll all the way down to the list of apps, and you can open the YouTube application from here. Once you've opened the YouTube application, you want to sign into your YouTube account, and you can start using YouTube just as you normally would. And that is how you download the YouTube application to your Apple TV. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.